Franklyn, come out our house. Sir, make him come out. What do you mean for what? Franklyn! Jesus Christ!
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him gun. Boy, me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV, you know the man of peace. We sit the violence of the streets, live in love, unity and strength, say and give thanks to life, health and strength. The 21st of March. Yeah man, life are the greatest gift, you know, cherish every moment, each and every moment, star, see it? Yes, thank you all for your continuous support. You know why, so we keep it real on the battlefield and straight positivity. Sometimes we go have a look at humor, fun and joy mix up, but end of the day I love, saying love all the way. In this episode we are going to talk about a video where we see went viral with the police them got dirt. A brother named Franklyn. I don't know Franklyn, but I would like to send my sincere condolences to him. Don't know if he's a bad man, good man, or what, you know. But in every action, there's a reaction and there's a reason for every cause. See? So, we don't know, but we hear the people that say Franklyn innocent. We're going to show you a little piece of the video. Where the police them there and one of the police them ball out, look at my gun. They hear clam, clam, clam. Franklyn food get Nyam. Jaja star. You see me? But before that, my viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, please, and thanks. Yeah man, just click the like button, it not take on nothing. If you feel like doing so, you see me? Share the content, yeah man. But before that, I want to look on a picture here. Whole heap of gun, ammunition got busted at the wharf. You know what I mean? I say, John, no. Police them get a tip off. And all these guns, look on them gun them man. A death and destruction that you know man. All who send those from wherever they might come from, whether you hate America, you see me? We look like America they might come from through the wharf. You know, that is death and destruction upon the country and our native citizens. Look at those guns. For me that is despicable and disgusting. Look on all the gun upon the stand, one the gun upon the stand. Jano, like a why them I go to blouse and skirt. I work with them on my way of going on my viewers and subscribers. So any look about noise in the background, my apologies. But look at those guns. Jano. One whole heap of gun man, matic, handgun, rifle. But other gun upon the stand drew my attraction. I said, when them going to do a Jamaica, you have bigger gun than that Jamaica too, you know. Yeah, man. I said, yo, the man them feel us live in love, man, and stop sending the gun them a Jamaica, you know, because other than destruction, them same gun, people them send them gun this. But I see a man turn pan for them family and take them family life, because, you know, but gun, boy, gun down no sense, you know, the money they behind it. Just like what Junior Reid says, see me gun no have sense. I just the man where they behind it, stand around. Cha. But let's show my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about that. However, now Franklyn, police them got dirt Franklyn. I don't know why, but if Franklyn is a good man, why would the police them go and trouble him? So something must be into something, you see me? And I'm not saying Franklyn did have any gun. Franklyn never must have no gun. And them go plant it pan Franklyn, because I know I saw the police them do all the while. Can't swear for them. Enough man them plant gun pan. My cousin, them try to do that with him back in the 90s. And the man lock up him fist them. Who couldn't walk with him, them try to put the gun in the man for him wallet and the man close him fist. And them beat him, broke up him hand and foot, lick out him teeth them. See, and people them come down and say, yo, you can't do that. You see me, so we know say police them is known for doing that and capable of doing that and taking a lot of innocent lives, but why would they go to Franklyn? Why would they go and page Franklyn? However, what's the video?
Franklyn, come out of us. Sir, making come out. What you mean for what? Franklyn, come out of us. Jesus. Franklyn! Jesus Christ!
John, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. John Star. Sad enough, the lady a ball up, man. Franklyn, come out of the house. Franklyn, come out of the house. Why Franklyn never listened and come out of the house? Or is it a case where they are holding on to Franklyn and preventing him from coming out the house? Remember, she's far away from the house and no one can see. She can see what's happening. She knows the police them, Franklyn is at risk. Franklyn life is in danger. See, now them a walk out with Franklyn 2 and 2 foot in the air, them a walk with him. You see me go throw him in the van. I can see them with the gun as well. You see me shall say, see that them put it on him. No, me don't know. Remember, I don't know. I never know the here where this happening, the community, but we just reiterate it because I know I'm here the man of peace. You see me, and it's sad again. My condolences again to the families and the loved ones, his kids if he has any, Yeah, the lady I say, yo, Franklyn, come out. And we also hear the police and I say, leg off from a gun, leg off from a gun. I think they said it about 3 times. See, 2 to 3 times. And then you bang, bang, bang. Franklyn food getting Nyam. Jaja. Sad. Since the year started, a whole heap of youth get clapped, and we hear the people, resident, them cry out and say, yo, police put gun on them. They, the youth them were taken out innocently, you know what I mean? And police, them say, they were shot at, you know what I mean? Shoot out. No, we're not swear for the police, and we're not take up for the police. As I stated earlier on in the vlog, a lot of police, enough time them do them thing, they kill innocent youth and put gun on them. Likewise, them do them job properly and get out the bad murderer them, you see me? But in this case, it's just sad, for see how Franklyn. But more know why them go for Franklyn. If Franklyn never mix up or involved in some things, why would they go trouble Franklyn? So something must into something. I don't know, but anybody know can let me know in the comment section below. Zine, I just want to say to the youths them, when you see what go on, the Prime Minister Andrew Holness give the police them the authority if you send them to Jamaica, whether in a gang or in a take life or the contract killing and them thing there. You see me, you be careful. Think twice before you make that choice. Think before you act. You see me, I say, the man of peace, lion foot. You see me, I'm out. Not another word out of me mouth. Blessed love.